Mastering Kitchen English, Sear the Meat, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series, where we explore phrases and terms used in everyday life. Today, we're focusing on a phrase often heard in cooking shows and recipes: sear the meat. If you're curious about what this means and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Searing is a cooking technique. When we say, sear the meat, we're talking about cooking the surface of the meat at a high temperature until it forms a brown crust. This process adds flavor and texture to the meat. The key points to remember are: high heat is essential. The goal is to form a brown crust on the meat. It's a quick cooking method. Searing meat is not just about improving its appearance and taste. It's a crucial step in many recipes for a few reasons. Enhances flavor. The browning creates complex flavors. Locks in juices. Searing helps to seal the meat's juices, making it more tender and juicy. Prepares for further cooking. Often, searing is the first step before the meat is cooked further by other methods like baking or stewing. To perfectly sear meat, follow these tips. Use a hot pan. The pan should be hot enough to sizzle when the meat touches it. Dry the meat surface. Pat the meat dry before searing to ensure a good crust. Avoid overcrowding. Cook in batches if necessary to ensure each piece of meat has enough space. When learning to sear meat, be aware of these common mistakes. Not heating the pan enough. A lukewarm pan won't sear effectively. Moving the meat too soon. Let the meat sear undisturbed for a few minutes to form the crust. Overcooking. Searing is quick. Don't leave the meat on too long, or it will dry out. I hope this video helps you understand what sear the meat means and how you can apply this technique in your cooking. Remember, searing is all about high heat, a quick cook, and achieving that delicious crust. Happy cooking and language learning! See you in our next video.